Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can connect our Samsung Galaxy M55 5G to a PC or a laptop and how we can transfer data. Now, in order to do this, we will need to use the USB cable. There is USB cable included in the box. However, it has both ends USB-C. So both ends are USB-C, and in order to connect it to your PC, then you need to make sure that your PC or laptop has the USB-C slot. If not, then you need to use a different cable that allows you to connect your Samsung to your PC. Now, in my case, I have my cable prepared, so what we need to do is simply plug it in. There we go. Now let's wait a couple of seconds. We should see the notification at the bottom of the screen. Allow access to phone data. The connected device will be able to access data on this phone, so we want to allow. And then, in addition to that, we can also swipe from the top to the bottom in order to find notifications. And over here we have USB for file transfer. We can tap on this notification in order to open USB settings. And over here we have transferring files / Android Auto. And now let's see if it actually works on the PC. Alright, so there we go. Now we can see that if you go to your PC, you should be able to find your device. If you enter it, you should have the internal storage, and if you use the memory card, then you should find the SD card as well. And over here you can transfer everything that you want to. Over here we have access to pretty much everything. So make sure that this option is selected in the USB settings by going to the notifications. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.